Wait till you see what we do with this turkey right here, that bone-in turkey breast right there. You know, if you ask your butcher, any decent butcher will be happy to serve you up on that way. Take all those other parts off, just leave that big, huge turkey breast, bone in, baby. Anytime you can cook with the bone on any meat, you can infuse a serious flavor. Couple that with a nice, beautiful rub that we're gonna make for you. We'll take this turkey. Bone is in there, you can see that. Skin is on to trap all those juices and flavors. Put it right in here like that. We are gonna get busy with the rub right now. Starting out with some garlic here. We'll get some mustard seed, okay? Little flavor, tartness, some brown sugar in there for you. Go ahead and use a spoon here. Big Bird needs lots of sugar. A little paprika. A little smokiness. We got some ginger here. A little coriander. Another flavor pop. Basically gonna cure this piece of meat right there. So we need a lot of salt, okay? Turkey pastrami sandwiches is what we're going for here. All these flavors right there, they're granular in texture, and we're just gonna rub it in like this. That'll create some micro pockets in here, helping us infusing this turkey once again with some flavor, just creating some little tears in the meat underneath the skin here like this, helping us getting that juicy, tender, delicious flavor all throughout that breast. This has got to go in the fridge at least overnight. If you can, 24 hours, and when it does, oh, Charlotte, that was wonderful. How about a round of applause for Charlotte, huh? That looks great. That's almost ready to go in the barbecue, but before we can do that, what we've got to do is make you a smoke pouch. Need some foil. I like to double mine up so we have no leakage that you don't want. Applewood, 2 parts wet, 1 part dry. And that dry right there acts as your kindling. You mix that together, fold them up, roll the edges, get you a fork, poke some holes in there, let it breathe, let that smoke out. You're enjoying the great outdoors, having a great time barbecue, and that's exactly where we're headed, is right over the barbecue. Oh yeah, checking it out here. 220 Fahrenheit, 110 Celsius. That's exactly what we're looking for there. Oh, Carrie, I see you over here. Okay, now look, okay, you got the drip pan?
Check.
Check. We got the meat? Check.
Okay,
Go! Nice. Boom. Oh, yeah. We're gonna do indirect heating right here, okay? That's what we're doing here. We've got the smoke pouch went right over the flame. That big, huge turkey breast, that's over nothing. No flame underneath it whatsoever. Drip pans underneath there, catch all the juices, no flare-ups, nothing. Now, what you're looking for is about 2.5 hours in there to 3 hours is exactly what we're looking for. Yeah, that turkey is fresh off the grill. We've checked it, stuck a thermometer right in there. Deepest part of the nice breast there, it read 165 Celsius. We're good to go. It's been tented. And you know why it's been tented? It's because we want to make sure that that juice has a time to just get back into that turkey breast. Hey, Jenna.
Hey.
You want to reveal that thing?
Yeah,
let's go. Break that bad boy out. Oh! That looks awesome. Jenna, you gonna do some honors over there for me? Got the rye bread, got the turkey, we got our pickles, got mustard right there. Looks like we got a feast. How about putting something together here? Can you just hit me with some turkey?
I'll load this one up for you.
Oh, beautiful. Lots of mustard. Pickle, can I get a little pickle? Oh, yeah. Right. Now we're talking. Oh, yeah. Is that insane? Oh, look at that. Does that not look good?